Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by imaging the current boot drive. You must protect data first. You will create a full disk image and verify it, because cloning corrupted or incomplete data wastes time. Once done, gather physical tools, screwdriver and SATA or USB adapter for the old drive, plus a bootable USB with your imaging tool. Make sure to note whether your system boots in UEFI versus legacy and whether the disk uses GPT or MBR. That dictates partition and cloning settings. Next, perform the clone or image restore to the new SSD. Choose sector-sector cloning for system partitions and encryption versus file level for simple data. While cloning, monitor health and transfer rates. Slow speeds may indicate a failing adapter. Once the clone completes, power down and install the SSD into the bay or M.2 slot, set SATA to ASI if required, and boot to firmware. Then confirm or repair EFI boot entries, or run the bootloader repair tool. Finally, make the new SSD the first boot device in BIOS or UEFI and boot into the OS to verify everything functions. You should run a trim command, check partition alignment, and run a quick smart health test to confirm the drive is stable. If the system will not boot, try resetting NVRAM or using the rescue environment to restore the image. Check cable seating and adapter compatibility. If problems continue, revert to the verified image on the original drive and reevaluate cloning options and firmware settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.